Corporate immigration law firms versus immigration tech platforms, which one is better for international mobility programs? Managing global talent is a challenge, and most companies get this wrong by relying on outdated processes. The surprising truth is that the choice between law firms and tech platforms can make or break your international mobility program. Corporate immigration law firms offer personalized legal guidance. They handle visa applications, work permits, compliance with local labor laws, and dispute resolution. For example, a multinational company moving executives across multiple countries can rely on law firms to navigate complex local regulations, avoid penalties, and ensure a smooth relocation process. Their expertise ensures that mobility programs remain legally compliant, even in highly regulated jurisdictions. Immigration tech platforms, on the other hand, streamline processes with automation. They provide centralized dashboards, document tracking, and workflow management. This speeds up approvals, reduces errors, and offers real-time reporting for teams managing multiple relocations. While tech platforms improve efficiency, they may not provide the nuanced legal advice needed in unusual or high-risk cases. The key difference is legal expertise versus operational efficiency. Law firms offer depth and certainty, while tech platforms offer speed and scalability. The most effective international mobility programs integrate both. Law firms handle complex or high-risk cases, and tech platforms manage standard workflows, track compliance, and generate reporting insights. The takeaway is clear: relying solely on tech risks legal pitfalls, while only using law firms can slow down mobility. The surprising truth is that combining legal counsel with tech-enabled operations ensures compliance, efficiency, and employee satisfaction. By leveraging both, companies can move talent globally with confidence, reduce administrative burdens, and maintain full regulatory compliance.